Hi, greetings, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be creating some t-shirt and merch designs using Artistly, and I've also created a GPT that I'm going to leave in the description of this video that you're welcome to have and use. So first things first, I've created a very basic prompt and I'm just going to pop that in. So please search the internet and generate 5 image prompts to use in Artistly. Please create them so they will be highly sought after and sellable. So we just pop that into the actual merch forge. Give it a second to do its thing. So it's just doing its thing now. As I say, I'll leave this in the description of the video and you're welcome to use this. This will give you some really good ideas and help you out to make merch, etc. So the first one, let's have a look. Wilder kind of forest crest. Natural escapism, woodland magic is forecast as a key 2026 aesthetic with animals, fungi and soft misty textures leading visual culture. Target angle, natural escapism, woodland magic, hikers, cozy and core fans, cottage forest, aesthetic shoppers. Right, so here's the prompt here. So we'll grab that. Right, so we put no gradients, no tiny details. We'll put this in. This might just be too much for Artistly, but what we'll do is, if it doesn't work out, we're going to just use it as create a normal prompt here. High quality. What we'll do is we can tweak the actual prompt if it doesn't work properly. We'll give it 4 different designs here, and then we'll generate the image. So I've left it as 1:1 ratio, so it's square. And as I say, if it's too much and it's maybe, we'll just put might be okay. What's the other design idea? So cool blue wave geometry. If we can't actually, if Artistly is having trouble with this, what we'll do is we'll ask the GPT just to give it the prompt without any of the dimensions or anything like that, just a basic prompt. But we'll come back and we'll just see what happens. So we'll go into it now. Oh yeah, there we go. So the next step, let's just see if we can actually take out this cream background. So we'll see what we can do. So what we'll do is we'll go over, and now we're going to just use this here. Bulk action. All right, so the first thing we need to do is create a new action. And then we're going to choose from the library. And I'm going to use, which one was it? It was that one, wasn't it? Let's have a look, make sure. I like this one actually. I'm going to use this one. So we'll use this one here, select that. And then the next action is going to be remove the background. And then the next action is going to be convert to 300 dpi. And then the last action, we're going to upscale the image. And just only upscale, we're not going to do the human face, just upscale. And then build the action. So we're just going to put in t-shirt 1, so we know that that's the one we want. Build. So we'll give that a second just to do its thing and see if it takes out all the colour at the background. Yeah, I like that. Even though it's left the colour in the middle, I like that. That's not too bad. So let it process. It's still processing. Right. So yeah, so that's good. So that's one of them. So now we'll go back into ChatGPT. So that was number one. This is number two. Let's have a look. So minimal modern t-shirt. I'm not actually putting in the actual size or anything into Artistly. I'm just going to leave it as it is and just see what comes up. And as I say, if it needs tweaking, we can just go in and we can tweak it in MerchForge and refine the prompt. But at the moment, I'm just doing it very basically. So now we'll just go back into here. We'll go back. There are two ways, obviously, in Artistly to create different t-shirt designs. You can come in here and you can use this one where you just put in the category, number of t-shirts, and then the audience. Or there's this way as well where you can come in and then you can grab one of these and just adjust the prompt to how you like it. There's lots of different designs here as well. But I'm just going to go in and use create from prompt here, which is what I did with the last one. I'll take away that. There we go. Right, so high quality. I'm going to leave it as 1:1 again. I'll do 4 more and generate. So what I like about this, the GPT gives you lots of different information about it as well. So it tells you why it's trending. It tells you the target buyer, the visual concept description, the color style. It gives you the prompt and then optional text variations at the bottom as well. And it does this with each one. So as I say, I'll leave the description for this. I created this so that you're welcome to use it. And it will help you out if you're using, creating merch or t-shirts, etc. So hopefully it will help you out. So let's get a bit more information about this one. So design idea, cool blue wavy geometry, trend angle, icy cool blues are being flagged as major 2026 colour direction. It reads clean, modern, calm and premium across apparel. So yeah, that's gives you why it's trending, etc. at the moment. Okay, so let me just do this. So the same thing again. I'm going to go in. I'm just going to remove the background because this is white here at the moment. So AI bulk action, create new action. And I'll just go back into it a minute again. Go into my personal designs. There they go. Right, so I'm going to use that one. Select. Remove background. Convert to 300 DPI. Upscale. Build action. T-shirt 2. Move background, convert to 300, upscale. Oh, upscale only, yeah, there we go. Right, so just build. And then what we can do, you see, is in Artistly, you can actually, if we go into Merch Magic, which is here, there it is there, look. So it's just this one. Choose from library. So I wanted to put it onto that t-shirt as an example. To the black t-shirt. See what comes up. That's it without the actual background now. So that looks quite good. But yeah, this was just a quick video just to show you that there's a GPT that you're welcome to use. And I've just given you a demonstration how it works, etc. And you just add to it. So this is just 2 designs, and obviously you can go into great detail and add lots more to the GPT and obviously use Artistly or any other image creator to create your images. I'll do one more. And then obviously you can add the writing as well. After Hours, Midnight Club, Lux Energy. Actually, we could do that. Let's do that. So if we go back into Artistly here, first things first, let's grab After Hours here. Oh yeah, sorry, just doing that. I've also created, what you'll find in the actual description of this video is a PDF. And what the PDF is it explains how to use the actual GPT. And also it's got the link inside of the PDF, which will show you, take you straight to it. So bear with it a second. Look, here we go. I'll just show you. So it just tells you how to use MerchForge here. Here's the link to the actual GPT. And then it tells you all about the different prompt ideas as well that you can use inside of MerchForge. But yeah, so the GPT, the PDF with the GPT will be inside the description. All right, so we'll pop that in. And then we'll put, please add the center of the image. Right, so we'll just see what comes up. Yeah, that looks better, doesn't it? And obviously you can play around with it. But yeah, so anyway, I hope that helps. Sorry I'm a bit higgledy-piggledy on this video today. But yeah, so the GPT's in a PDF in the description of this video and you're welcome to use it. Also, look out for some more videos from me in the future. And if you fancy subscribing, that would be great. All right, cheers. Thanks very much.